China's most mysterious factory, breeding 22 billion cockroaches, making $1 billion a year. Before you scroll away after watching this video, hold on. Breeding cockroaches may sound strange, and this might challenge your understanding of things, but don't be afraid. In China, it has evolved into a well-established industry worth billions of dollars annually. Today, let me take you inside this mysterious world where countless cockroach farms are generating massive profits. So, why is China investing so heavily in cockroach farming? What makes these creatures so valuable? Let's uncover this shocking truth together. It turns out scientists have discovered that cockroaches are more valuable than we think. These common insects have been around for over 300 million years. The fact that they've survived this long must mean there's something special about them. In Chinese medicine, cockroaches have been used for over 1,500 years and are considered repair specialists. Ancient people used to boil them into a soup to treat stubborn diarrhea and stop bleeding. Later, scientific research revealed that cockroaches contain numerous anti-cancer and active compounds with potential benefits for treating inflammation, tumors, and other diseases. One of China's popular medicines uses cockroach extract as its core ingredient, which, much like a magical bandage, speeds up wound healing and aids in the recovery of gastric ulcers and mouth sores. The extract also stimulates stem cell division and differentiation, accelerating tissue repair. That's why some beauty masks today contain cockroach extracts, helping to repair and rejuvenate the skin. It's also being applied in both the medical and cosmetic industries. Additionally, cockroaches are used in pet food because they're packed with high-quality protein. What's even more shocking is that their extract might even be in your peanut butter, acting as a stabilizer. Cockroaches are also edible in China, where they can be prepared in various ways, grilled, fried, or made into soups, adding an unexpected delicacy to the table. China is home to the world's largest cockroach breeding base, where 22 billion cockroaches are farmed. These cockroaches consume 50 tons of food every day. Raising cockroaches is surprisingly simple, and the profits are incredibly high. Cockroaches thrive in warm, humid, and dark environments. To create the perfect shelter, workers stack wooden boards to form narrow gaps. Which is exactly what these insects naturally prefer. In these ideal conditions, cockroaches find mates and begin to breed. Once the male successfully mates with the female, he climbs onto her back to mate. Afterward, the female stores the sperm, allowing her to fertilize multiple batches of eggs throughout her life without needing to mate again. The workers then prepare special trays for the cockroaches to lay their eggs, ensuring the larvae have a safe environment to develop. When the female cockroaches are ready to lay eggs, they carefully deposit them into the crevices of egg cartons. Workers regularly inspect these trays to monitor the larvae's growth. Once the larvae cover the surface of the tray, it's time to harvest. At this stage, workers use special tools or gently shake the trays to collect the larvae into designated areas. After collection, healthy larvae are selected for further breeding or commercial use, while the old trays are cleaned and reused for the next batch of larvae. After 6 months, the larvae mature into adult cockroaches. During harvesting, workers often use shaking techniques to drop the cockroaches into containers. Due to their rapid reproduction, a single female cockroach can produce thousands of offspring. In large farms, they can breed up to 22 billion cockroaches. What's astonishing is that these cockroaches live like national treasures. Their diet includes milk, vegetables, fruits, and cornmeal. These cockroaches are raised for high-end purposes, such as being sent to pharmaceutical factories to be processed into medicines, or sold to restaurants for food preparation. In smaller farms, cockroaches are fed vegetables and even leftover kitchen scraps from restaurants, saving on the cost of buying commercial feed. These cockroaches are then sent to feed factories, where they are ground into powder and turned into high-protein animal feed. By now, you might be wondering, aren't you worried about the cockroaches escaping? To prevent them from running wild and causing damage, the farm has built a small river around the factory, stocked with fish. If any cockroaches escape, they fall into the water and become natural food for the fish. At the end of the year, the farm can sell the fish for extra income. The digital and intelligent landscape of the pharmaceutical industry is right in front of us. The entire process of Chinese herbal medicine extraction is now completed via digital screens. The entire workshop uses the DCS control system developed by Germany's Siemens PCS7 to precisely manage every step of the pharmaceutical production process. The facility is structured across 3 floors. The 3rd floor is dedicated to material input and extraction. The 2nd floor focuses on concentration and central control. The 1st floor handles purification, drying, and the treatment of pharmaceutical waste. With 25 production lines, over 6,700 key control points, and a total pipeline length exceeding 120 kilometers, this facility is a true marvel. Located in Dalian, America, it's where the active ingredients are extracted and then transported through pipelines into the filling area for bottling. From here, the process gets even easier. After the liquid formulation is transferred to the liquid dosage workshop, dozens of sterile production lines are working at full capacity to complete all the necessary steps in a fully automated, sterile environment. Fast and direct to patients, without a sweat. AGVs, automated guided vehicles, and RGV rail-guided vehicles are always busy in the production lines. Robotic arms and spider-like hands move like Popeye after a can of spinach, performing tasks in a single smooth motion. When comparing the old to the new, there's no question the difference is astounding. The digitalized factory operates with an automation rate of 98%, increasing production efficiency by 18%. Energy savings reach 20%, and capacity can be increased 5-fold. The uncertainty brought on by manual intervention in pharmaceutical production is eliminated, ensuring greater safety and stability in the final product. After a series of processes and distribution, the products from the Kung Fu New Family series reach hospitals, clinics, pharmacies, and online platforms, eventually ending up on your office desk or in your home's medicine cabinet. Cockroach farming, with its explosive reproductive rate and straightforward process, is quickly becoming a promising industry, despite the controversies surrounding it. After all this, how do you feel about cockroaches now?